Welcome. In this video, I'm going to be doing my fog light chrome trim on my 2015 Subaru Impreza. It's pretty easy to do. They just pop out your bumper. On the back side here, you'll see there are a few screws. Take those screws out, trim comes right out. Be sure to subscribe. I've just ordered some more vinyl to do my hood and to also do my trunk. I'm going to be doing it in a different color, not this, but it's going to be very cool, so be sure to subscribe. Leave a comment if you like the content, and hit that like button, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.